I'm one actually of the founders of Cambridge Display Technology. We formed it in '92. We are a display company working in OLEDs, solution processed OLEDs. I'm the CTO, Chief Technical Officer, and CDT is now owned by Sumitomo Chemical, and as such we are looking at this longer range research for the company in organic electronics. Mainly in OLEDs. We had fundamental IP in the area of OLEDs for displays and lighting. Since Sumitomo took over CDT, we've been concentrating on OLEDs for TVs, televisions, working with various partner companies, which of course I can't talk about. And we now are branching into OPVs, organic electronic transistors, and things of that sort. So there's a wide range of other applications, but that's sort of longer term research, gradually moving into those areas. Well, okay, when I first made the discovery, there was no such thing as polymer OLEDs. So three of us filed a patent, and then we formed the company in '92, which is called Cambridge Display Technology. And essentially, at the time, it was a very interesting technology. There wasn't even such a thing as plastic electronics around when we first started, and that sort of seems to be growing up quite a bit over the last few years. So we were basically an evangelist for this whole organic electronics, especially the solution process side. There was the small molecule evaporated, which came from Kodak under Ching Tang, but the solution process was really, CDT was the first company to really talk about that. We are, I mean, I can't talk about the exact technology because it's all confidential information. We certainly have materials now good enough for televisions. And I mean, our parent company is basically a materials provider for companies who are interested in this area. Okay, well, I mean, it'll have low cost, wide viewing angle, much better color range than LCD, much thinner, potential for conformable displays. People talk about flexible, but it's probably more like conformable displays rather than flexible for this high end. Well, a TV type application, it's got 20 million pixels, or the next generation will have, and one of them can fail. So flexible is a very tough order for a TV application, but conformable, fixed in use but shaped, yes, fine. Now that would be flexible, so that will be a lower end technology. We're not shooting for that type of technology at this stage. I mean, it could be done, but there are some very difficult engineering issues to overcome. And all our materials are printable. So all the materials we do, whether it's for the TV or the lighting research we're doing, or the OTFT, organic thin film transistors, or OPV, all of it is solution processable and therefore printable. So yeah, of course there are, but we're slowly developing. I think we have a unique technology base, and of course our IP is extremely strong in the area of solution processed, printable organic electronics. Of course, it's networking. Like if you don't network, you don't find out what else is going on. What we're looking for is potential partners for development, of course. So we'll be looking at what other people's technology is and how it might be hybridized with ours, to get a new technology. We have, there is funding available. I mean, certainly the lighting, because of low energy requirements, lighting is increasingly interesting for this area. Of course, OPVs or solar cells, organic solar cells, again, there's funding and interest in those areas. The question is then, can you make the right price points in the product to get the huge markets, and that's something we are exploring. And that's again why you need partners.